Full dress rehearsal for 76th Republic Day celebration on January 26 was held under heavy security deployment at Kangla today. The full dress rehearsal saw march past from Manipur police contingents, which was led by SP Laishram Sarita as parade commander. Contingents from ex-servicemen, Assam Rifles, BSF, CRPF, Combined Manipur Rifles Contingent, IRB, NCC and Combined Civil Police from hill districts also took part in the rehearsal. Students from Sainik School, Imphal, NCC Senior Air Wing DM College, Imphal College, Manipur College, CC Higher Secondary School, Ibotonsana Girls Higher Secondary School, TG Higher Secondary School and cultural troops representing various indigenous communities of Manipur were also part of the parade. On the other hand, traffic was diverted to alternative routes during the rehearsal.